Hey there, YouTubers. More vegan meals, and we're going to start out with these amazing Beyond Meat steak tips. It is like black magic or something. You can read the ingredients and all the good stuff here, but how they do this, I don't know. It's like voodoo or something. It's just stunning. Here we go.
All right, I'm just going to pour these in there, YouTubers, right into a frying pan. There we go. I'm just going to flatten them out, and we are going to do, it's still plant-based. It's processed plant-based, so you make your own decision, but saw these at the store and wanted to give them a go. Do a flyover. Frozen steak bits. Steak. Beef tips. Alright, we'll see what Beyond's done with this stuff. Alright. Stirring that up. It smells good. It looks cooked. Alright, I'm going to taste a little piece of it. That's surprisingly good. Huh. I guess it's kind of like that jerky they make now. You'll be surprised. It tastes real. Alright, let's see what this looks like once it gets in a plate. It's going to be mushroom gravy and potatoes.
All right, we didn't go too fancy. There it is on the plate, but I wanted to maintain the actual taste of it and not hide it too much with other stuff.
Here's a flyover. It's mashed potatoes with mushroom gravy and some of those steak tips. I put a little bit mine on the side. There's the other one. And what did you just say? The voice?
How do they?
Black magic.
Black magic. How do they do it? Because it tastes so much like actual steak.
Like beef fat, you even said.
Yes, it does.
You can almost taste like. Oh.
Well, and it looks like.
Yeah.
It looks like real meat too, like you chopped it up. That's a keeper, man.
It's good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like there's. You bite in it, it's like you're biting into some fat too,
Right.
texture-wise.
Right.
You know, it's really soft. It's very strange. It's awesome.
It is.
Tastes real. So far, thumbs up. There's also a salad that's going to go with this. That's a nice salad. The dressing for this
Right here.
was made with almond butter from Costco. It's a very good dressing. And it tastes good. There's apples in there, there's cabbage, there's all kinds of good healthy stuff. Green peppers. Alright, YouTubers. Hope you enjoy. I again suggest this.
This one, the picture's not as good as the meal. On the left is meagus, made with just egg. On the bottom, you got a Impossible sausage patty, tater tots, and beans. Okay, and here's another Beyond Meat crazy thing. Finally got the hot and spicy. And although I prefer Impossible hamburger, this Beyond stuff, it's just voodoo.
So YouTubers, the other two flavors are good, and they finally had hot and spicy. And again, this isn't health food. You can get it at Walmart for like $4. But we're going to try the hot and spicy. Hold on. There you go. That's what it looks like. Looks like jerky, doesn't it? There we go.
Perfect.
Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to eat it now. I like that. It's not that hot. See if it's got late heat.
It's late heat.
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, it's a little hot, but it's a weird hot.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll end up eating that whole bag, but I think
It tastes like really hot barbecue sauce.
yeah, it tastes like
barbecue.
Southern barbecue sauce.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good though, but I can't get over how they do it. We're gonna find out one of these days. All this Beyond stuff is like people or something. If you remember that movie from like 100 years ago, Soylent Green.
Soylent Green.
It's people. It's pretty good. But if you're vegan and you miss the chew of jerky, Beyond is doing good things.
All right, we found some vegan hard cheeses. This diet is great. This Mykonos is just stunning. You think it's real cheese. And this vegan buffalo dip was pretty darn good too. I give it a thumbs up. They're doing better with cheeses. Cheese is tough. This meal here is spaghetti squash with some greens and a lot of really good stuff in it. If you want the recipe, just put it in the comments and I'll share any of these. This here is a pasta salad made with almond sauce. It was really good. All right, here's another meal, more pasta salad because, you know, I'm Italian and then I need my pasta. And with that wonderful pasta, we had a smashed chickpea salad that was good with lettuce and all kinds of smashed stuff. See, you can see the sandwich is friggin' good. You should eat this. Look at that. Look how good that looks. This closes in on rabbit food, but it's still really good. I'd eat that again. Again, if you want any of these recipes, just say which one in the comments and I will give you the recipes. Next, we got some nice lentil tacos at the bottom there. These weren't mine because they got guac on them. I went a different route with mine, and that is a black bean heated up burrito right here, or heated up taco, excuse me. Really good, spicy inside and nice and tasty. Simple. That's lettuce because instead of the tacos, I had a lettuce wrap with the same stuff. That's lentils with some grilled onions and peppers in it. I personally really like lettuce wraps, and then put some nice walnut sauce dressing over it, wrapped them up like a taco and ate that stuff, and came back and ate more of that stuff. This is a random, very good tasting salad. Next, one of my favorites, a banh mi sandwich with lemongrass tofu, some cucumbers, some pickled daikon carrots, jalapenos. Yes, that is awesome eating. Okay, I'm going to use this fake chorizo as another base for a meal that I've kind of made before, but it's become popular where I am. This is one I actually cooked.
Hey there, YouTubers. It is 8 Below up here in the UP, and another vegan meal. As kind of a variation of something I've shown in the past. We called it Bob soup when I was growing up. My grandfather would make it. Everything was canned, including canned corned beef, but this is going to be veganized. I'm using that Morningstar chorizo. I'm going to put that in there and get it started. I'll try to make this quick to add. Okay, so there's the vegan crumbles. Anybody wanting to make this, make it not vegan. I used to make it with hot Italian sausage, and it is fantastic that way. But if you like a little spicy and you're vegan, the chorizo works well too.
Use some fresh carrot, like 3 of them, chopped them up, and these are the beans that went in. Add in another can.
All right, there we go. The chorizo stuff is cooking. I'm going to put in some chili with beans. Can of that. Kidney beans. Another can of kidney beans. 2 cans of that. And this is almost like cooking for people who can't cook. It's really easy. Also, did not drain those cans of beans. Purposely did not drain those cans of beans. Alright, there's more to do. There's 3 carrots peeled and into the pot. Normally I use veg-all that has potatoes in it, but I'm going to add an extra potato to this. Got to dice it up. And there you go, diced potatoes. That's going in the pot. Frozen corn. And like I said, when I had this as a kid, my grandfather would make it with all canned stuff. And when you use the frozen stuff, you don't have to worry about salt as much. Frozen peas, all into the pot. Oh, a little extra water with the freezer stuff. Okay. Again, I almost always use canned mixed vegetables.
We did that so you could keep it in the pantry in case of emergencies. Stable food in case of emergencies.
Okay, a little bit more corn. Right, I'm going to put 1 can of Aldi's mixed vegetables in there. There you go. There's a lot of stuff in this soup. All right, this is gonna be a hearty soup. We got all those veggies in there and a package of fake meat. And to make the stock, couldn't get any easier. Yep, that's it. I use V8 juice. Spicy hot, low sodium. This is, what size is this bottle? Let's pour it in and then figure it out. That is the stock. That's it. It's 46 fluid ounces, and then I'll fill it up with water and add water that way, getting the rest of the juice out. Okay, if you can see, I put maybe 2/3 in there with water. Shake it up. get all the rest of that V8 juice out. Then pour it in. Okay, again, I don't even know if you call that cooking. If you can't cook, you could tell people you cook this. Mix it up, stir it around. Pretty simple. Then you can decide, like anything, you put whatever you want in there, vegetable wise or meat wise. Again, things don't have to be vegan if you don't want them to be vegan. And then this might need more beans. We might put another can of beans in there. But now, I'm just going to bring it up to a boil. Once it boils, then simmer it, and you can eat the soup whenever you want. Another can of mixed vegetables goes in. I got space. There it is. That's Bob's soup. Veganized. You can make this at home. It's super easy, even if you can't cook. You'll enjoy it.
So if it's cold or you want something weird, here's some great meals to have a great and wonderful day.